Last week, I sent everyone this message telling them to save the message. This is the link to the Homeroom app. The reason we're doing it this way is because right now we don't have the link working in Google Classroom, but this link right here will take you to the same app that you would get if you were going through Google Classroom. It'll take you straight here to the worksheet where you can do your work as normal. What I want to show you here is that it's bad to have to keep going all the way through all of those clicks in Google Classroom or to look for a link in an email message. The best thing you can do when you're using the Chrome browser, and this doesn't work in the other browsers quite the same way, but this is the Chrome browser, and there is a new feature right here on the right side of it. When you hover over it, it says to show the side panel. If you'll click that, it opens up a side panel where you can have frequent links that you go to. You can just, here, when you have the spreadsheet open, just click on Add Current Tab, and it puts it in right here. And then if you happen to be somewhere else and you come in here to find it, you just click that link, and there you are.